Hello everyone. Today we will start the revision and the first chapter of your revision is of decimal. So in this chapter we will start from starting. The first thing, this is a number 314.124. So first remember how to read decimal numbers. So this is the part before decimal. So before decimal part will read like this 314, okay? And after decimal we will write 124. Never read like this 124, like 314.124. This is wrong. How to read? 314.124. Okay? And remember one more thing. Decimal consists two parts. Decimal consists two parts. The part before decimal is known as whole part and the part after decimal is known as decimal part. And they both parts, decimal part and whole parts, are separated by decimal point. See, this is the decimal point between the whole part and decimal part. Okay. Next, fraction into decimal. How to convert any given fraction into decimal? The question is 9 whole 3 upon 4. So, there are two methods are there. First, convert this fraction, this mixed fraction into improper fraction. It may be lengthy process. So, easy process or shortcut is, this is whole part. So, write whole part like this only 9. First write 9. Okay, and divide this fraction 3 upon 4 in rough. See, this is 3 and this is 4. So remember, always divide numerator by denominator. So this is 3. We will divide 3 by 4. 3 is not divisible by 4. So we will put decimal and increase 1 0 here. Now 4 7 ja 28. After subtraction, 2 is the remainder. Because of decimal, we can increase 1 0 in every step. So 0 is here. So 4 5s are 20. This is 0.75. Now how to write? See, 9 is already here. 9 is a whole part. Whole part is already here. And decimal part is comes. So 9.75. This is the shortcut way to find the answer, 9.75. Okay. Next, decimals into fractions. Now, this is fractions into decimal. Now, next part, decimals into fraction. How to convert decimal number into fractional number. See, this is question 4.50. So, first we will check after decimal how many digits are there. Or we can say in decimal part how many digits are there. So, you can check 2 digits after decimal. And remember one more thing, 4.50 for example, and if nothing in denominator, then 1 is always as the denominator, you know. Now after decimal, 2 digits, that's why we will remove this decimal and increase 2 0 in denominator. Okay. So now our number becomes 450 upon 100. This is after removing decimal, two zeros increase in denominator. Now check, if at last 0 are there, then you can cut 0 to 0. Okay. Now cut it 0 to 0. Now check, this number is divisible. Both number will divisible by same number or not? Yes, they are divisible by same, means they are divisible by 5. 5 2s are 10 and 5 9s are 45. So answer is 9 upon 2. This is the fractional form. And if you want to write the answer in mixed form, then you can convert 2 4s are 8 and 1 upon 2. This is 4 whole 1 upon 2 is the fractional form of this given decimal number. Okay. Next, convert. How to convert unlike decimal into like decimal. Unlike decimal are unlike decimals are the decimal. They are having different number of digits in decimal parts. See, this is decimal part 75. How many digits? 2 digits. There 14.2. How many digits? Only 1. 192.345, 3 digits. 7.1234, 4 digit. So unlike digits are there because 2 digit, 1 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit. So they are unlike decimals. Now how to convert into like decimal? First we will find the maximum number of digit in which part. See, this is 7.1234. Here four digits are there, they are the maximum digits. Okay, so we will convert all decimal numbers, all decimal parts in four number of digits. So there 3.75. So we will increase zeros. And remember one more thing, if 3.75, or we can increase after 75 as many zeros, but value remains same. Okay, this is important part. Okay, now see, this is 3.7500 comma 14.2000 and 192.3450, and here 7.1234. See, after decimal 1 2 3 4, 4 digits, after decimal 1 2 3 4 digit, here also 4, here also 4. So it is converted into like decimals. Clear? Now next thing, how to add, how to divide, subtract or multiply. So first we will check the sum of addition. Question is 3.140 plus 14.12. So first remember one thing, write the first number 3.140. Okay. Next 14.12. So decimal, here also decimal, right? Decimal before decimal. See, decimal number, this is decimal. Write 4 1 1 4 14.12. If they are unlike, then make them like. So now it is a like after 0. Okay. See, 0 plus 0 0, 426 112 point 3.3 and 4 7 and 1. So answer is 17.260. Okay. Next, subtraction. How to subtract? This is 13.14 from 25. This question is very important because last time in exam, most of them make this question wrong. Means remember from. How to subtract the question of from. This is from. From means first we will write this number after from 25, and first, because decimal number is here, another number, so make them like fraction, like decimal 25.00. Okay, now 13.14 here, subtracted 0 minus 4 6, here 9, 9 minus 1 8, decimal, here 4 minus 3 1, and 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, remember this sum very importantly because it is from, because students can solve this question like this also. 13.14 and 25.00. This is totally wrong. Okay, next, division. 14.12 divided by 1000. How to divide? First write this number in fractional form. 14.12 divided by 1000. Now check how many digits in denominator. 1 2 3, 3 zeros in denominator. According to 3 zeros, we will move this decimal to the right of 3 places. 1 2, if no place is here, then consider 0. So 0. Now the answer is 0.01412. Clear? Next, multiply. 3.45 multiply by 1000. So very simple. Write 3, remove the decimal 3 4 5, and how many 0? 1 2 3. So write 1 2 3 zeros. Okay. Now check decimals part consist how many digits? 1 2 digits only. So from last, count zeros. 1 1 point, 2 point. Decimal will shift 2 places. First, second. So finally, you can write answer 3450, because after decimal if only zeros, no digit, then the answer is 3450 only. If question is 1.4 multiply by 3.2, so multiply it 3.2 multiply by 1.4. So 14 2s are 28, carry 2, 14 3s are 42 and 2 44. Now count decimal parts. Decimal part 1 digit, 2 digit, total 2 digit, because here 1, here also 1. Now count the decimal point from here. 1, 2, two places. So 4.48 is the answer. Okay.